The best thing about being in love. Being in love is the most beautiful thing ever, as God has blessed me with a beautiful, loving and caring husband, my childhood sweetheart, and we've been in love for 23 years now, so I am telling you this with experience because love is indeed a beautiful thing. Please permit me to dedicate this video to my beloved husband Henry. Before we get started, please make sure to like and subscribe and put the notification bells on so you don't miss out on my next videos. The best thing about being in love. I'm talking about healthy relationships where trust, communication, and satisfaction are high, and even when disagreements come along, you can still say that you are in love and work things back to where they were. I'm not talking about being in love with an abuser or someone who mistreats you. I'm not talking about when you are unhappy and unfulfilled in your relationship. I'm talking about the type of relationship that you should be striving for. If you are not currently there, hopefully these will be some reasons to strive for that healthy relationship. 1. It gives you courage. When you love someone else, you are willing to do things for them that you wouldn't necessarily have the courage to do by yourself. The love you feel gives you the courage to act on going after your dreams so that you can become a better person for them, or so that you can create a better life for them. Working harder, becoming more intelligent, and staying true to the person you want to be are all things you gain courage towards when you are in love. 2. It gives you strength. When someone has real love for you, they are behind you 100%. They believe in you and encourage you, and you feel 1,000 times stronger than you feel when it's just you pep talking yourself up. Strength is necessary to follow through with your courageous attempts. For instance, applying to a job you want and going in for an interview takes courage, but you need strength to stick with the job when tough times come around. 3. It encourages you to think twice. Before you do stupid stuff, you will consider the person you are in love with. This is a huge benefit of being in love. Not only does it stop you from doing things that could actually harm you, but it also encourages you to listen to your inner guidance system more about what is right or not right for you. That will ultimately help you create the life you want because your inner guidance system knows what the next step in your journey needs to be. 4. It helps you accept your mistakes. When you are in love, you still make mistakes. The only difference is that you don't beat yourself up about it over and over again because you have someone to remind you that it's alright to make mistakes. You are still loved by them. You are still the amazing person they knew before the mistake. And, they fully accept you for the human that you are who makes mistakes. Someone who loves you will also forgive you for the little mistakes you make with them, such as forgetting to do something for them, having a huge mood swing where you say something you shouldn't, or doing something unintentionally that makes them upset. They won't harp on those mistakes or try to make you feel bad because being in love is not about hurting the other person. Instead, they will forgive you and work with you to make things better in the future. 5. It makes you of service to someone else. One of the best things in life is being of service to other people and enriching their lives, and when you are in love, you get the honor of doing that to someone's life day after day. As some experts say, for the most rewarding experience, you shouldn't focus on give and take in the relationship, you should focus on giving everything you have to the relationship. That means doing things to make the other person happy and comfortable in the relationship, sometimes even at the sacrifice of your own happiness and comfort. It's amazing what we will do to see the people we love smile. 6. You can be yourself. When you walk out of the door in the morning, you have to put your best self forward. You can't be too silly. You shouldn't swear and you can't walk around with your pants off. You can't laugh too loud, let your stomach out, or do any of the other millions of things that you don't want to do in public. But, when you get home to the person you love, you can act like yourself around them. If you laugh loudly, you can do that. If you have some extra fat on your body, you can let it all hang out. The person who loves you for who you are, not who you think that other people want to see. Being yourself is an amazing benefit of being in love. 7. You always have someone on your side. There is nothing worse than having no one on your side. People may put you down, bicker with you, and make you feel like you are wrong for being you, but being in love fixes that. You have someone to cheer you on and tell you how right you are. If you want to do something crazy, like branch out with your own business, your partner will be on your side. If you want to switch jobs, your partner will be on your side. If something like a skull ring, personal example, is something you want, then your partner will be on your side and make you feel like it's something you should get. They are not there to put you down or make you feel bad, they are there to be on your side always. 8. You become more mindful in life. Being in love means you spend quality time with the one you love, and that means you are more present and mindful of what is going on around you. Quality time means no TV or computers. It means sitting around talking, having a cup of coffee, sitting outside and enjoying nature, going out and taking in the sights, and all those other things where you really feel like you are living and doing stuff that matters. That's what being mindful is all about. 9. You smile more. Being in love means you feel good, and that means you smile more. You are more willing to smile with the person you love as well as without the person you love, so this benefit lasts all day and every day. Smiling has many benefits, including lowering stress, strengthening the immune system, and even making you feel more comfortable in situations you might be a little tense about. It can improve your relationships with other people by making you more likable and approachable. And, it just feels good to smile. 10. They just get you. One of the best things about being in love is that you are understood, even if you have no words to say. The person knows you, how you think, what your habits are, and what your expressions mean, and they understand how you are feeling by understanding all of those things. They just get you. They know why you're not feeling good or why you are hesitant to do something. They know why you are laughing or why you are crying. They don't need you to explain yourself because they understand. So, you can sit quietly with them and enjoy the moment or get the comfort that you need. Please like and subscribe so you and your family and loved ones can stay healthy and happy.